Hey guys, so we're at the Nampa Rod and Gun Club, and I have the real pleasure today of shooting the PacLite 22 long rifle by Tactical Solutions in Boise. Basically, this is a real lightweight Ruger Mark III. This is a beautiful gun to shoot. I've had a chance to shoot it off camera here, a few mags through it. It's beautiful to shoot. So I'm going to get some video of you guys shooting this gun, and I'll tell you what, if you have not shot one of these, it is a beautiful gun to shoot. So let's put some rounds down range. So I think I found one way to make this PacLite shoot even cooler, more amazing than it already is a suppressor. So we actually have on the Axiom Suppressor from Tactical Solutions here onto the PacLite. So yeah, let's go do some shooting. Wow. I can hear the action running with the suppressor. That is ridiculous. All right, guys, so shooting the Axiom Suppressor here on the PacLite was ridiculously fun. We're gonna take it up another level here with some subsonic 22 here. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna put one mag and some steel targets we have here, and I'll do another one, some more targets in the berm, just so you can see how quiet the suppressor is. Even with supersonic ammo, I can hear the action running. It is a really good setup. So here's a mag, subsonic ammo into some steel targets. Ridiculous. All right, I'll do a couple just the berm here so you can see how quiet this is. The bullet hitting the dirt is louder than the action of the gun. Wow. That is ridiculous. So there's the PacLite, the Axiom Suppressor.